Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is the 2 litre TDI SE finished in Reflex Silver. You've got diamond cut alloy wheels and it's in a really lovely condition. You've got the chrome window surrounds and the roof rails and the tinted windows as well, so it just gives you that little bit of extra privacy. Round to the back, it has got a really good sized boot, so I'll open the boot and show you the space. So as you can see, there's plenty of room in there. You'd definitely be able to get everything you need in. It's also got a swivelling tow bar, perfect for pulling your caravan on family holidays or trailers or anything like that. Inside the back, you can see there's plenty of space in there. You've also got trays on the backs of the seats, so it's perfect if this is going to be a family car. There's plenty of space. And it's perfect for putting books on, games, food, anything like that. And it's really nice quilted cloth as well. So I'll get in the car and I'll start it up and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So on the inside you've got your touchscreen display. You have got a built-in navigation system, which is really easy to use, really clear. You've also got App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what phone you've got. It also has the winter pack, so it's got front heated seats, perfect for those chilly mornings. And you've got 3-zone climate control as well. This one's a manual. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, so you don't have to panic when you park your new car. Onto your multifunction steering wheel, you've got adaptive cruise control with front assist and lane assist, automatic headlights, and you've also got electrically heated and folding door mirrors, just add that little bit of security on the narrow roads. I'll give you a close-up of the seats. As you can see, they're in a really lovely condition. There's no tears or marks or anything like that on the cloth. The really nice silver dash inserts. You have also got a space saver spare wheel in the boot as well. So I really hope you like the car. If you are interested or you've got any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.